Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you achieve financial freedom and success online. Today, we're diving into passive income and exploring strategies to help you make money online without being tied to your desk all day. Imagine having the financial freedom to travel, spend more time with loved ones, or pursue your passions without worrying about your next paycheck. That's the power of passive income, and it's more attainable than you might think. Alright, let's break down passive income versus active income in a way that's easy to digest. So, active income is like your 9-to-5 job, where you trade your time for money. You work, you get paid. Simple, right? Now, passive income is where the magic happens. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or hang out with friends. That's passive income. It's all about setting up systems that keep the cash flowing with minimal ongoing effort. This could be a blog that generates ad revenue, selling digital products, services, making smart investments, or diving into affiliate marketing. Speaking of which, we have a cool affiliate marketing system to share with you today that's a game changer. Let's dive in. One of the most effective ways to build passive income is through affiliate marketing. It's a low-risk, high-reward strategy where you promote products or services and earn commissions on sales. But here's the kicker. It's all about having the right strategy and the secret affiliate model. Introducing the secret affiliate model. This incredible technology system can build and launch your own highly profitable affiliate marketing business in just 7 days or less. It's a step-by-step guide that takes the guesswork out of the equation. Perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. With the secret affiliate model, you'll get detailed instructions on setting done-for-you profitable funnel niches, creating high-quality content, and optimizing your efforts for maximum returns. It's designed to help you succeed without the hassle. Or create your own product and services if you so wish. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about the secret affiliate model and start building your passive income empire today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on passive income or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts here. Let's make it happen together.